Yo, what's going on, boys? Welcome back to another video. Today's trading training day 22, I think. And today we're going to be talking about patience. And today was an amazing example of patience. So let's get right into it. So I took longs on NQ today. It hit. We had SMT, inverse fair value gap, entered off the inverse, all the way to this 15-minute fair value gap, banged, okay? I took this trade at 11:05. I was on the charts since 9:30. I waited almost 2 hours to place a trade. Not in a trade, to place a trade. This is one example of why you need patience. There was so many half-decent, half-ass, mediocre setups that I could have taken, but I knew, no, I need to wait for my A-plus setup. I did, and I've been rewarded for it. That is quite literally all you have to do. Now I'll explain this a little more. So we had the SMT divergence. So we had a low and a higher low on NQ, and on ES, we had a low and a lower low. That is SMT. We inverse this fair value gap. I don't enter off of it because we had another fair value gap above it, which we clearly didn't inverse here, which is actually a decently bearish sign. So I waited to see if we could inverse it, which we ended up doing. We came back up, inversed the second fair value gap, entered off that. Then the leg down that created these fair value gaps, the top of it is my break even. So whenever we hit that, I instantly move my stop to break even, and it's a risk-free trade. And then vice versa, if I was going short, let's say I was going short here, and I entered off like this fair value. I was looking at this, but we didn't have SMT. I don't remember. I was looking at this. Let's just say I entered off this. There was no fair value gaps here. The bottom of the leg up would be my break even. Okay? So, yeah, as soon as we hit my break even, risk-free trade, TP was at the bottom of a 15-minute fair value gap. Right here is right at the bottom of it. We smacked it in, entered at 11:06. It hit at 11:12. $245 in 6 minutes. Simple. Okay? You guys need patience. You need patience, right? You need the self-discipline to not click the fucking sell or buy button. You need to wait and let market tell you when to press that button. There's no, like, again, I was going to take this. I think I almost took this. There's like at least 3-4 half-decent, half-ass setups that I could have taken. They all would have been stopped out, and I would have been not in profit for the day. It would have been shit. Would have been absolutely dog shit. Okay? And another reason why you guys need patience is to see profits. Like, not just within the day, but over time. I've said this in one of my other videos. Trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to become a millionaire in a year. I'm telling you right now, you will not become a millionaire in 1 year. From the first day you hear about trading, or the first day you start learning to trade, a year from then you will not be a millionaire. I'm telling you, I don't think it's ever happened. To be honest. I don't think it's ever happened. And if it does, good for you. It's extremely rare and extremely hard. You gotta be so beyond self-disciplined. You gotta, like, there's so much. There's so much. You need to think of these things in, like, long time frames. You need to think of trading in long time frames. I've said this example before, and I'm sorry I keep rubbing my nose. I'm sick as hell. I've said this before, but if you're unprofitable on the day, okay, I can be profitable on the week. If you're unprofitable on the week, okay, I could be unprofitable on the month. Or I could be profitable on the month. Not unprofitable, but still, you guys get what I'm saying. There's no reason to get upset over a loss, a losing week, a losing month, a losing 2 months, 3 months. You're going to lose, and you have to have patience to know each loss brings you closer to your next win, if you have the proper self-discipline, the proper patience, the proper risk management, all of those things. And you need to realize your strategy is almost never the issue. It's always the fact that you're focused on the money. Okay? So have patience. Realize that it's not going to happen in 2 months. It's not. It's not like one of these drop shipping things where you set it up in a week and then somehow using TikTok you can blow up in like a month. It's not like that at all, bro. I promise you it's not like that. I've been doing this for just about a year now. And I'm really starting to see consistent progress in myself. And that doesn't mean consistent profits. I'm just saying I'm seeing consistent progress, right? Because honestly, the money doesn't fucking matter. It doesn't matter. Like, at all, right? Of course, you're trading to make money and to become financially free or financially stable or just, again, to make money. But the money doesn't and shouldn't fucking matter. You shouldn't have the thought of fucking money on your mind when you're trading. So when you do, if you're thinking about money at all, you're going to make dumb trades, you're going to revenge trade, you're going to over risk, over leverage, over trade, whatever. All the above. Fuck. You can't be focused on the money. You need to have patience. You need to realize it's not a get rich quick scheme. And that's it, brother. That's it, brother. That's all you have to do. Master your emotions. That's another thing we're going to be talking about in my next psychology video. We're going to talk about emotions. Okay? This is a decently short video, a 7-minute video. But after this day and after the past, like, some weeks of me literally not even trading because I haven't had good setups, I thought patience would be a really, really good video idea and a good thing to talk about because I feel like other people are probably going through it and taking dumb trades and what's going wrong? What am I doing wrong? Patience. Wait for the A+ setups. Realize you're not going to get rich overnight, over a month, over 3 months, over 6 months, over a year. Stick to your strategy. Don't think about the money. That's it. That is it. Like, it's... Trading isn't easy. It's definitely not easy. But I will say it is simple. When you know what you need to do, and a lot of you already know what you need to do. But why aren't you doing it? Because you're focused on the money. All of you know exactly what you need to do and exactly what's wrong. You just don't want to put in the work. And trust me, I've been there. I have been there, right? But yeah, that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys learned something, took some notes, whatever. Alright. Next video will be entries part 4, I think. We'll be going over liquidity sweep plus break of structure plus fair value gap retracement plus inverse fair value gap. So we'll be showing a few examples of that, and then on the Instagram and TikTok there will be clips of it and whatnot, as you guys already know. But yeah, have a good day, y'all. Take notes. Come back on Friday. Yes, sir. See y'all boys later.